Today I want to speak about something very important, something that affects every single one of us. During the blessed month of Ramadan, we all know that Ramadan is the month of mercy, forgiveness, and salvation. It is the month in which the Quran was revealed. It is the month when rewards are multiplied, du'as accepted, and hearts are softened. We also learn from authentic hadith that during Ramadan, the devils are chained. Here's a serious question. If Shaytan is chained, why do we still sin? Why do we still get angry? Why do we still waste time? Why do we still struggle to pray on time? The answer is powerful, and it is something we must understand deeply. Shaytan's strategy is subtle. Shaytan does not always attack openly. He whispers. He plants thoughts. He beautifies small scenes until they seem harmless. Even if the major devils are chained, the habits Shaytan built inside us over the year remain. Ramadan exposes what we have trained ourselves to do. If we spent 11 months ignoring prayer, Ramadan will feel heavy. If we spent 11 months attached to our phones, Ramadan will feel distracting. Shaytan's greatest weapon is not force, it is suggestion. He says, "You're tired. Pray later. You can read Quran tomorrow." It's just one video. It's just one lie. And step by step, he pulls us away from greatness. He attacks through weak moments. Ramadan is a month of hunger and thirst. When the body is weak, emotions are sensitive. Shaytan waits for those moments. Someone speaks harshly and anger rises. Someone criticizes us and pride reacts. Someone annoys us and patience disappears. But the Prophet taught us, if someone provokes you while fasting, say, "I am fasting." Why? Because fasting is not only from food, it is fasting from anger, fasting from ego, fasting from revenge. Shaytan wants us to fast with our stomach, but sin with our tongue. Ramadan wants us to purify both. He distracts us from our true purpose. Ramadan is not about surviving the day until Maghrib. It is about transforming the heart. Yet Shaytan distracts us with endless scrolling, entertainment, overload, unnecessary arguments, comparison with others. Hours disappear. We say, "I'll start tomorrow." But Ramadan is limited. Each sunset means one less opportunity for forgiveness. Shaytan knows something we often forget. This Ramadan might be our last. That is why he works harder, not to make us commit major crime,